Monitoring the situation is like watching porn, but instead of sex, it's information. Like, you know how we have food porn and there are subreddits for map porn and architecture porn? The scholar C.T. Nguyen argues that these are all about gratifying consumption freed from usual consequences. So just like regular porn is sex without the consequence of a real partner, food porn is food without the consequence of eating, and architecture porn is seeing cool buildings without the consequence of actually traveling outside. In the same way, the media will also depict outrage porn and poverty porn to provoke your emotional responses even though you're just sitting there on the couch watching TV. And I think monitoring the situation is basically the same thing because it's kind of like being a cook for the news. There are all these things happening right now, and instead of participating in them, you're choosing to sit on the sidelines and watch. The problem is that because porn is untethered from any real circumstance, it doesn't matter what you consume as long as it gets you off. Any picture on the food porn subreddit is good enough to satisfy your cravings, and in the same way, any piece of information can be monitored from the cuck chair as long as you're not actually feeling the consequences. What you're doing is definitionally vicarious, which is why we consume porn but appreciate art. Porn is a means while art is an end, and you only feel present in your life when you treat something as an end in and of itself. So what are you doing right now?